Thank you, Mark, and a big hello from London. For a change, and it is quite a big change, we have very few weekly patterns to discuss from last week. This could be because of the US holiday last Monday, or the coming Chinese New Year, the year of the fire horse. By the way, Kung Hee Fat Choi to my Cantonese listeners. Or it could be because of the Carnival around the world and the start of Lent today, or it could be because of a Ramadan, or it could be a multiple of all these. But whichever it was, we only had the 4 weekly technical patterns in the markets I cover. So let's start with the currencies. And we had a weekly key reversal down last week in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. This has not seen a follow-on lower this week as yet. And I put that down to the proximity below of a bright red lower bull channel line dating from April 2025. And perhaps more importantly, the combined highs from October 2022 at 151.94 and November 2023 at 151.92. These last two, I think, have a larger portion of the reason we have pulled up a little. We also had a weekly key reversal up last week in US dollar Turkish lira, but that is not really a surprise in that market. Over in fixed income, and we had a weekly key reversal up last week in UK Gilt futures. This has seen a satisfactory follow-on higher this week, but I should point out that it was the only one of the fixed income markets I cover that had such a move. Finally, we had an interesting weekly key reversal up last week in shipping, in the Baltic Panamax index. This is the first such pattern we have seen here since June last year. And we have had a satisfactory, if unspectacular, follow-on rise this week. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who's interested. And with that, I'll finish this section from London, and I hope that you found these comments useful.
Thank you for watching and listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is EDITOFPIC and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.